For this video, we are going to be creating the Pear Cam. Again, we're going to be using parametric modeling, so the first thing that we want to do is we want to select parameters. Under user parameters, so select user parameters, add numeric. We are going to make a parameter for diameter. Again, you want to choose a number between 1.5 and 3 at half-inch increments. So I'm going to use 2, nice round number. And now I'm going to make my first sketch. I'm going to select XY plane again, and then I'm going to select diameter, the circle, and I'm going to make our axis hole. So our axis is going to have 3/16 inch hole for our center axis. Remember, that's 3 divided by 16. It should turn into 0.188 as a decimal. Next, I'm going to make a circle sharing the same center point. And then I'm going to make another circle. Now, in this case, I know that the distance between the center point of my top circle and my origin is actually going to be equal to the radius of my large circle. So I'm going to make the center point equal on the top of this circle here. And I'm going to make a smaller circle. So I have my little snowman-ish guy. And then I'm going to make 2 lines that connect my 2 circles. So I have 2 circles and 2 lines. I need to make these lines tangent to both circles so I don't have any overlap. So I'm going to select my tangent constraint, select my line, select my circle. Repeat the process for the bottom circle. Select my line, select my circle. On the other side, line, circle, circle. So I now have 4 tangent points. Now I just need to clean this up. So I'm going to trim, and I'm going to get rid of all these interior lines. So all that I'm left with is my profile, my outline, which looks like a pear or avocado. Now I'm going to make sure that my center point of my top arc remains in line with my bottom, with my origin. So I'm going to select my vertical command and select my center point of both circles, and they should be lined up. So I should not be able to move this left and right. It just moves up and down. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to dimension my large circle on the bottom should be half times diameter. And my circle on top is going to be 1/4 times diameter. Now when I go to dimension between my 2 center points, I'll probably get this message saying that it will over-constrain and accept it. And that's perfectly okay because I expect this dimension to be equal to this dimension. So this again was 1/4 times diameter. This one was 1/2 times diameter. That also makes this 1/2 times diameter. And that's all my pear drawing is. And I'll extrude this. Again, choose the part that you would like to extrude. So that's our main area. I'm going to extrude this 1/8 of an inch, or 0.125. And then hit OK. Save this as Pear Cam and place it in your Automata folder. Thank you.